Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Dropbox. Access cloud storage files step by step clearly. Open your web browser on your computer or open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you are using a browser, type Dropbox, come into the address bar and press enter. On the Dropbox homepage, find the login button at the top right and click it. On mobile, tap the Dropbox app icon to launch it. On the login screen, click or tap the email field. Type the email address you used when creating your Dropbox account. Click or tap the password field to continue. Type your Dropbox password carefully, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. If you want the device to remember you, enable the Remember Me or Keep Me Signed in option when available. If you forgot your password, click or tap Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions sent to your email. After entering your details, click or tap the login button. If you see a security check, complete the CAPTCHA by following the on-screen instructions. If Dropbox asks for two-step verification, open your Authenticator app or check your phone for the code. Enter the verification code in the provided field and confirm to continue. Wait a moment while Dropbox loads your account dashboard. On the web, you should now see your file list in the main area of the screen. On the app, you will usually land on the Files tab where your folders and documents appear. To open a folder, click or tap the folder name once. To preview a file, click or tap the file name and wait for it to open. To download a file on the web, select the file and choose Download from the menu. To make a file available offline on mobile, tap the three-dot menu and choose Make Available Offline if you see it. To upload new files on the web, click Upload and select files or folder from your computer. To upload on mobile, tap the plus button and choose Upload Files or Create Content. To find something quickly, use the search bar at the top and type the file or folder name. To check shared items, open the Sharing section to view files shared with you or by you. To manage your account settings, click your profile icon and open Settings. To log out on the web, click your profile icon and select Log Out. To log out on mobile, open Account or Settings and tap Sign Out if you need to switch users. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.